In this guide, I'll show you how to back up and restore your game save data in Elden Ring on PS4 or PS5. All you need is PlayStation Plus in order to access cloud storage. So, what you want to do is go to the home menu on your console, and then you want to go to settings. And once you're in settings, scroll down and look for save data and select it. Now, whether you're playing on PS5 or PS4, you want to go to upload or delete from console storage. Now, this is how you back up your game save if you'd like to at any time by selecting it, and then go to upload. Now, what I recommend you do, because assuming Shadow of the Erdtree has multiple endings, you want to collect all those trophies. So go to sync save data under PS5 or auto upload under PS4, and once you're here, what I recommend you do is go into this section and then turn off auto sync save data for Elden Ring. And the reason I recommend you do this while playing the base game or the DLC is that you'll be able to manually upload your game saves and restore your game saves, and this will help you be able to collect multiple trophies if there's multiple endings. So if you highlight your game on the home menu, you can also press the option or start button on your controller, and you can quickly upload or download your save data for your game so you can do it a lot quicker. But just bear in mind, you will have to go back to settings if you want to turn on auto save sync after you're finished playing the DLC and base game. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.